Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we are here with something that I use all the time, and that is my trusty rice cooker. Now, the reason that I have this one, this is the Miracle rice cooker. I got this from Amazon. It was about $70, and I actually had this one already for probably about 3 years, and it's going strong. Now, the reason I got this particular one is because it has stainless steel parts. This is a stainless steel steamer basket. This is a rice cooker, plus it's also a steamer. And it also has a stainless steel rice cooking basket. This is an 8-cup rice cooker, so you can cook quite a bit of rice in here. And it does show a little bit of a wear because we have been using it quite a lot. So anyhow, this rice cooker, it does not use any Teflon. The basket is not aluminum, so you guys don't have to worry about any of that. The stainless steel really holds up well. And if you do happen to burn some rice in there or whatever, you just use a little bit of baking soda and some water along with some elbow grease, and you'll definitely be able to clean it right up. So anyhow, guys, we're going to just go ahead and cook some rice. The way you do it, obviously, you're just going to go ahead and put the basket in. And now, in order to cook rice, you're going to need 2 cups of water, 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. Now, that is actually a cup. The reason that it's so, I guess, fluffed up there is because we've already washed the rice. You always want to wash or rinse your rice before you cook it. And when you do, it does absorb a little bit of water. So that has absorbed some water. Just go ahead and pour in 2 cups of water. There we go. 2 cups of water. We also like to put a couple of, I don't know, just a little bit of oil inside of it. So this is extra virgin olive oil we're using here. There we go, just a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick. And we're also going to just throw a little bit of salt. That's plenty. Okay, we'll go ahead and grab our rice. Here we go, 1 cup. Just toss it in there. And there we go. Nice. So what this comes with, it actually comes with the rice cooker. It comes with the stainless steel basket, the stainless steel steamer basket. It comes with a lid. It comes with this little fancy cup right here. It also comes with this little rice scooper spoon. And so you can actually cook rice in here. You can also steam vegetables in here. And that also does work really well. If you notice, this is actually a tempered glass lid. And it does have a little steam hole right here to release the steam so it's not like shaking all over the place. And if you do happen to want to steam something, some vegetables or whatever, just put a little bit of water in the bottom, and then you can put your vegetables in the top, and you'll just be able to go ahead and steam them. So we'll just go ahead and spread this rice out on the bottom here a little bit. There we go. Now, right now we're cooking jasmine rice. We have also cooked long grain, short grain as well in here, as well as yellow rice even we've cooked. So now we do not need this basket since we're just making rice. So we're going to go ahead and just put the top on it, put the lid on it, go ahead and plug it in. There we go. And all you have to do is just hit cook. There you go. It takes about 15 minutes. And when it's done, this will pop up and it'll sit on warm. And that will keep your rice nice and warm. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and let it cook. You can come over here and take a look and see what we got here so far. So here's what it looks like right now. Not cooked yet. Let it cook. It takes roughly about 15 minutes. We're going to put the timer on right now. We'll be back in about 15 minutes and we'll show you how the rice turns out. See you in a bit. All right, so it's been about 13 minutes now that the rice is cooking. And as you can see, there is a lot of steam escaping from this top. So I did want to mention that so you can be sure you don't put it underneath the cabinet or anything you don't want to get damaged by the steam. And another thing you can do to make the top a little bit easier to clean is you can just use a steamer basket on it and then just put the lid on the steamer basket. Even if you're not steaming anything, you can see over the top here, there's kind of bubbles coming through on the inside. I'm not sure if you can get that or not. But if you have the top directly on that, it makes it a little bit tougher to clean the tempered glass lid. Anyhow, a couple more minutes and we'll be back with the finished product. Okay, guys, there we go. Finally just popped up. Now it's on warm. I did take a little bit closer to 20 minutes in order for the rice to actually finish here. And this is for 1 cup of rice only. So I guess as you add more rice to it, because it can go up to 8 cups, I'm sure it's going to take longer. And not to worry though, once the rice is done, this will pop up and it will go to warm and keep your rice nice and warm for you. So let's go ahead. First thing we're going to do, let's go ahead and take this basket off. Here we go. Set that aside. You can look inside and take a look at the rice. Look at that. Ooh, perfectly cooked. Very nice. Now it does tend to stick to the bottom a little bit, but there's nothing really you can do about that. So here goes the rice. We'll go ahead and scoop it in this little bowl here. Ooh, look at that. Very nice. Nicely done. Jasmine rice. Yeah, I'm not the neatest chef. I'm more like a messy chef. Put this on the bowl like this. Flip it and make it pretty. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful and delicious. All right, guys, so this is the Miracle stainless steel rice cooker, and here is the finished product. So we're gonna go ahead and taste it. Very good and very hot rice. I recommend you letting it cool off a little bit before you do that. So there you go, Miracle rice cooker and steamer, stainless steel basket, stainless steel steamer basket, and tempered glass lid. Roughly somewhere between 15 and 20 minutes, more 20 minutes or so to cook 1 cup of rice. It works really well every single time, and once it's done, you'll know because it pops up and goes to warm. Anyhow, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. 2 thumbs up for the Miracle.